5 food that can help you burn cholesterol. But what is cholesterol? Cholesterol is a white, waxy substance found in your blood system, and this cholesterol is needed in your body. This cholesterol is absolutely needed for your cell to function well, but too much of cholesterol is very detrimental. Too much cholesterol can cause heart disease. So to prevent too much cholesterol, you need to take these 5 foods on daily basis. Even if you don't take them on daily basis, you are going to add them in your diet as you cook food. Maybe whenever you cook your delicious meal, add 1 or 2 of these 5 foods. It will help to burn cholesterol in your body. Just bear in mind that too much cholesterol is very bad because it can cause heart disease, and you still need cholesterol for your cell to function well. So what are these 5 foods that you need to consume daily that will help you to burn or lower cholesterol? So before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you are somebody that like to know more about men, or you like videos concerning men, you are on the right channel. Consider subscribing and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. What are the 5 best food that will help you burn cholesterol? What are these 5 food that will help you to lower cholesterol? The 5 food are: number 1 is ginger. Very important. Ginger help to lower cholesterol. Number 2 is garlic. Garlic is also help to lower cholesterol. Number 3 is lime. Number 4 is onion. And number 5, the last, is avocado pear. This avocado pear help to lower your blood pressure and also to minimize your blood sugar. Then it also help to minimize your cholesterol. So these 5 foods are what you need to burn cholesterol in your body or to lower cholesterol in your body. Then how are you going to take them? For example, this is avocado pear. You can take this as it is, raw. Very perfect. If you take it like this, very perfect. Then onion, you can add onion in your diet. The same thing goes with this garlic. You can add this one whenever you are cooking food. They will help to burn cholesterol in your body. They will help to lower cholesterol in your body. The remaining food to burn cholesterol, how are you going to take this? You can take this by preparing a recipe. You use grater. After peeling this, use grater to grate it. Then extract juice from this lime. You can still add garlic because you will peel it and cut it into pieces. Put it in the same pot with this and boil it. Once you boil it, you have the best recipe. Bring it down and filter it. You have your juice. As you take the juice, maybe morning and night, it will help to lower cholesterol in your body. Then onion and still this garlic, you can still add them whenever you are cooking food. They can help to burn cholesterol. So these 5 foods are what you need to burn cholesterol. Remember that cholesterol is needed in your body, but too much cholesterol in your body can cause heart disease. So you need to be taking all these 5 fruits to minimize cholesterol. Don't let your cholesterol to go higher, because once it goes higher, it can cause heart disease. I recommend these 5 food to every man. Consume it, take it to minimize cholesterol. Remember that cholesterol can cause belly fat. So to minimize cholesterol, always take these 5 best food to minimize cholesterol or to lower cholesterol. But you can also say that these 5 fruits burn cholesterol because they will help to reduce cholesterol in your body system. So make sure that you take these 5 fruits. Make sure that you take these 5 food to lower cholesterol in your body. They work and they are perfect to lower cholesterol. So this is the end of today's video. I hope you get value from this video, and I hope you like this video. If you do, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. Please comment on this video, let me know what you think. Comment if you have questions, put it in the comment section below. I promise that I will reply your comments as fast as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I promise that I will be giving you people the best which I know, the best that will help you people, and the best that will help to keep you people healthy. That is what I will be sharing on this channel, especially for men and men alone. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye.